Wow. It was just maybe perhaps the best flash and blast of thunder I have ever heard in my life. Well, it moved right up into the top 5. That was freaking amazing. Man. Man, the lightning that is still around is good. That one, that was amazing. It rumbled and rumbled and boom, boom. That was, I hope I get at least a couple more of them on here. The thunder alone was amazing. Whoa. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Listen to that thunder. That was amazing. That just brought tears to my eyes. That was so amazing. I hope I got that. Holy cow. Wow. Breathtaking. That was just sheerly incredible. Wow. I couldn't even fucking see. I wonder what was on that flash. That made all sorts of noise. Holy cow. And I thought that one I just said was good. That one was even more amazing. Wow. I can't believe that. That's definitely going up on fucking vid. That is just amazing. Oh, it's nice and dark now too. Street light went out again. Wow. That was just unbelievable. That was 16 different strikes of lightning in about 2 seconds.